Hey guys, today I've got an unboxing for you. It's been a while since I've done one of these. The reason why is I haven't bought a new camera in a while, because I haven't had the need for one. Well, today I have another camera. This time I bought something different though. This here is a GoPro. Now originally I thought about trying to just hide the fact of what it is from you, but it's all gonna be in the title anyway, so might as well just get it out there. Sorry about my knife skills. I know it's bad. Hey look, bubble wrap. That was anticlimactic. There we go. And I'm not going to blow your eardrums out by doing that too many times. So there's a few things in here. First of all, this is a case for it. An Amazon Basics case. We'll go ahead and set everything aside for a minute. This is a pack of accessories. No, they're not GoPro branded, but that's fine. And then we have the GoPro itself. Alright, so here everything is sitting on the table. I guess we'll get to the main attraction last, so we'll start over here with the case. Get the knife back out. And we can just set it over there this time. As I said, this is an Amazon branded case. As far as cheap ones go, I like going with the Amazon branded ones because then you have them to back it up, unlike some random little company that will be gone tomorrow. Alright, so it's got a carrying handle on the top. And that's going to be the top. Right off the bat, this material feels kind of cheap. I'm going to say that. This was a $12 case, so I can't expect too much. You have this foam. It's a little harder than I expected, honestly, but it'll do its job of protecting the camera, I'm sure. This cutout, the one that I had pulled out here first, this is for accessories. And then this big slot over here, that is the one for the GoPro itself. Will sit right here. The inside lining of this case is actually pretty nice. Feels kind of felt-like. As I said, the foam feels kind of cheap, but what do I expect for a cheap case? And there is actually some padding to it, so that's kind of cool. And this top part, oh no, it's not zippery, it's just get a little slot. Pretty cool. It should do its job. Basically, all I need this for is to keep the camera safe while I'm not using it. Now we're on to this. I like the fact that it comes in a little pack like this. It'll be nice to store everything in. And it's in a bag in the pack. Pretty nice packaging, really, for a cheap thing. Oh, and it's a Ziploc. Cool. Well, it's a zipping top bag. I doubt it's actually a Ziploc. That's a brand. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. Okay. This is like really a lot, so maybe I'm not going to go over every item here. Here's a shell. I'm fairly certain this is for an older GoPro, so that's useless. Wrist strap, I think. This is hard little handle thing. Hopefully it's waterproof. However you hold. Or, I mean, hopefully it floats on water. Random little bits and ends. I'm honestly not sure. And then there's this, oh my god, is it small? Whoa. Oh my god, I did not expect it to be that small. So my phone is actually up there on a similar looking tripod, but much bigger. This is absolutely tiny. And I mean, it doesn't need to be any bigger for a GoPro, but I just didn't expect it to be that little. Wow. Obviously this is a Joby GorillaPod ripoff, but I don't care as long as it works. That's pretty cool. And now the main attraction itself. I love GoPro's casing. It is so cool. This plastic, hard, clear plastic with a nice feeling sleeve around it is awesome. That is really cool. I'm so excited for this. Oh, I figured it out. That sounded bad, but it's not. Here we go. Oh, man. Wow, it all just sits inside of there on this piece of cardboard. That plastic top is actually pretty heavy. And the camera itself has some weight too. Oh, that is sweet packaging. That is so cool. It really is the coolest packaging I've ever seen. GoPro's done a fantastic job with this. Oh, okay. Cool. That is sick. Alright. I'm playing with that. Let's set it down and get on with the rest of this. Instruction booklet. Not too long. I guess it's just kind of how to mount the GoPro and whatnot. Looks like some GoPro stickers. Nice. It's been a long time since I've bought anything that came with stickers because it's that expensive that you want to show off their brand. A GoPro is one of those things that people like to give them free advertising. There's your actual instruction booklet. The reason people like to give them actual free advertising is because GoPros are cool. Ah, nice. Wait a minute. Oh no, they're still using mini USB, or is... Oh, it's USB-C! I didn't even realize this. They finally use USB-C to charge. Sick. Because my phone, if you don't know, is a Galaxy S8, which also uses USB-C. That means I only need one cable to charge my phone and my GoPro. Awesome! It looks like you get an actual GoPro branded sticky mount here. this will probably be the one that goes on my kayak because I need something that I really trust. Here's the battery. It's actually thicker than I expected. I don't know why. I've used an older GoPro before, and it had a very, very similar size battery. Yet for some reason I kind of expected it to be thinner. Maybe it's because of the horrible battery life these things get. It's about 2 hours. And a second one of these. Cool. What do we have in our other slot? Anything? No. That was it. Repackage that up. Go ahead and put it right back in its little home. This is definitely going to be around. I keep all my boxes and stuff because what if something goes wrong in the first month or 2 or 3? Secondly, it's just freaking cool. So now we are looking at the GoPro itself. So we have a really nice mounting system here. It comes in this thin little enclosure that just holds it into this. And by doing, because the 5 and 6 are now waterproof in themselves, they don't need an actual waterproof housing unless you're going to go to super deep depths, which means you get this thin little shell which lets audio through, so you get way better audio quality, which is awesome. Man, is that stiff. Shit. Okay, so on first open, that is immensely stiff. But I got it off. Now you can open the back door and drop the camera out. Man, did they get it stiff in there at first. Anyways, here's your housing. I forgot to mention on the bottom here, this is their mounting system. I'll show it in a later video, probably. Not in this one. And there's your beautiful camera. And it's got a lot of metal on it. Like, this feels good to the hand. Buttons are clicky. Nice. At all. I'll show that again. Press this little button and it slides. And I presume it goes in this way. And then also the micro SD slot is right there. So I'll need to grab one of those before I can actually start testing this. Too hardcore. And that shuts very solidly. Oh, that is satisfying. I love opening new stuff and getting that peel. Every unboxer loves that for a reason. So fresh. So on the side you have your power button. On the top you have your take picture button. And the power button... Oh, okay, I had that backwards. Oh yes, it is on, guys. It is on. See that? Our GoPro is powered up for the first time. So, here's our settings. English, obviously, that's what I speak. Terms and conditions, agree. GPS, not right now. And you can see here we have 4K at 60 frames per second. That makes this my highest resolution recording camera to date. Gotta enter the date now. And you can see the lowest that this camera goes is 2017, so that tells you how new it is. Time. And we're in. Wow, that is wide. Wow. Okay, so initial impression. We have a little bit of a fisheye effect that I am seeing. Oh, low battery, and it just shut off. So I'm going to need to charge this up before I can really play with it. So this is an unboxing anyways, and not a full-on test. I'm obviously going to be testing it over the next, well, the next few hours if I can, charge it fast enough and everything, and pop an SD card in it. But over the next few days, weeks, whatever you want to say, I'm going to be testing this extensively, obviously, so you can expect a video test coming very soon to test out what the audio or the video quality is like, and the audio quality too, I guess. I said that as I'm talking into a mic that is sitting on my desk, and I have another one on my camera, on my phone, so we'll see which one actually has better audio quality, but that's going to be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this GoPro unboxing, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks.